Yeah, mga ano siya. No parking. Parking space. Dami sa Max kay park ko. Yeah. Wow.
Yo, yo, yo! What's up mga mananap? Tara, ride tayo. And today, punta tayo sa Above Ground Cafe in Minglanilla. Okay, time check muna tayo. Alas 3 ng hapon. Napaka-perfect na panahon for a ride. Punta tayo sa Minglanilla. So, based sa Google Map, we are going to expect about 31 minutes travel time over 16 kilometer stretch. Tingnan natin kung nakaya. Siguro ang assumption doon is straight yung biyahe mo. But knowing that on certain parts of the highway, I'm pretty sure yung magka-clog, magka-traffic jam, tapos sisingit-singit na lang tayo. So my real expectation is that we're going to be traveling for a total of 45 minutes to an hour. Hey, andito na tayo sa highway. Medyo maluwag. Hindi masyado masikip ang daan. Not so much vehicles here. Looks like it's going to be a perfect ride all the way to Above Ground Cafe in Minglanilla. So sana tuloy-tuloy na to. So we're still going to go through at least 3 to 4 towns in a city before we can reach our destination. Nag-expect ako na by the time we will reach Talisay or Minglanilla, mag-iiba na ang nature ng traffic. Magsisiki pa na doon. Pero it doesn't matter. And I don't mind kasi yung scooter naman madali lang itong i-manage sa traffic. Sisingit lang tayo, but we have to do it carefully. You know, napansin ko lang that most of the motorcycle riders, siguro mga 75 to 80%, yung motorcycle of choice na nakikita ko ngayon is a scooter. Kaya nga naglabasan tong maraming options, maraming brands of scooters na pagpipilian mo. So in my case, I decided to get a Rusi Pulse 150 FI scooter. Yep. When I decided to finally get a scooter, yung first scooter of choice ko talaga is an RFI 175. Kaya lang, medyo nakikita ko, it's a little big, it's a little wide. So gusto ko yung a little smaller bike, pero maganda yung displacement. So when I saw the display ng Rusi Pulse 150, inlabagad ako. Kasi saktong-sakto lang yung size niya at saka yung power is just enough. 150cc na Yung gulong, yung wheel set, malapad. And alam mo na kasi, if wide yung tires mo, better yung traction sa daan. So better yung cruising mo. So at that time when I bought the Rusi Pulse 150, I think that was the right choice to do it. Medyo malapit na siguro tayo sa destination natin. Kailangan nating mag-gas up muna kasi 1 bar na lang tong sa fuel indicator ko. So ito na, sana may tao. Kasi sa kabila kanina walang tao. Baka nag-CR yung attendant. So ito na, meron ng tao. So gas up lang tayo ng 100 pesos. So the current liter price at the moment is 61 pesos and 50 centavos. So that should amount to about 1 liter, 0.6. So, aabot na yan. So, sa budget ko sa fuel for this ride is really about 200 pesos lang. Back and forth na yon. And may extra pa. So, that should tell you na yung bike is napaka-efficient. Napaka-tipid. In terms of fuel consumption. So, it's really a perfect ride of choice kung gagala ka. Kasi hindi ka gastos on so much on fuel. Ayan. Busog na yung motor natin. Yung fuel indicator suggests I still have about 3 bars of fuel. Okay, okay na yan. Kailangan ko mag-fuel up kasi we're gonna go up to the mountains of Minglanilla. So, kailangan ng motor natin ng more fuel para maganda yung cruising. So, ito na. We're gonna go up na to Above Ground Cafe in Minglanilla. Nandito na pala tayo sa Above Ground Cafe in Minglanilla. Hindi ko napansin, masyado akong naaliw sa ride. Ito talaga yung okay pag Sunday Ride tayo. Takes the mind off our problems. Nakapa-stress-free or stress-releasing tong experience na to. So, andito na tayo. Papark na lang tayo sa motor natin. And then we're gonna enjoy some delicious and yummy stuff at the cafe. And if you have watched this far, salamat po. Sana mag-ride din kayo ng mga OBR nyo. Yung mga official OBR lang ha. Okay guys, drive safe and ingat po sa lahat.